kindly sit down. Commander, can you give the order of Tikas Pahinga? Executive Secretary Salvador Medaldia, Secretary Delphine Lorenzana, and other members of the Cabinet present, outgoing Group Commander Brigadier General Rolando Celito Bautista and Mrs. Shirley Ann Bautista, incoming Group Commander Colonel Lopi Dagoy and Mrs. Maria Liwayway Dagoy, the officers, men and women of the Presidential Security Group, the men and women of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, fellow workers in government, my beloved countrymen. Before anything else, I would like to acknowledge the 8 PCG personnel who were wounded in an ambush last November 2016 in Marawi. Your government will ensure that their needs, your needs, are taken care of as you rest and recover from your injuries. If this incident tells you anything, it is that the risk and dangers of being a member of the Presidential Security Group are all too real. As the lead agency tasked with the protection of the President and the First Family, the PSG will have to deal with a variety of threats. In the 9 months that I have been in office, I have pursued measures that affected many personalities. While these have enabled me to help our people, these actions also made me many enemies. There are those who are upset by the administration's reforms. There are those whose lives have been affected by the people's war against crime, corruption, and the illegal drugs. These are the people who do not wish to see me or the Philippines succeed. The incoming PSG commander, Colonel Lope Dagoy, will have his hands full. I am confident that his outstanding credentials and considerable experience will enable him to lead the PSG effectively. I fully entrust the protection of myself and my family to him and to the entire PSG. He will find that the whole PSG organization is in good order, with several upgrades and improvements being implemented these past 9 months. We have the outgoing PSG Commander, Brigadier General Rolando Bautista, to thank for that. The procurement of additional equipment and vehicles are presently ongoing. Extensive training for PSG troopers, both here and abroad, have greatly enhanced their knowledge and capabilities. The PSG is also now more effectively involved in our neighboring communities with institutions to the activities that develop their life skills, promote a healthy lifestyle, and encourage civilian engagement. These have made the PSG stronger, more dependable, more competent, and encourage civilian engagement. These have made the PSG stronger, and it will be so for all time. I stand confident, assured knowing that the PSG will have my back as I and the rest of the government pursue the important task of bringing prosperity, order, and security to our country. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Thank you.